Hi, good evening, all my friends of Indian. I have missed my girlfriend in 2000 year December 29, very early to the 30th December. I want this girl. She has some hair in that area. I am feeling some depression in that period in my mind, and I am very badly at time. And when I was to come to Mumbai airport at Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, and that day in Jet Airways flight, she she in, she 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 in there since she's there uh, she, uh, line on to arrange some taxi, and I also in there uh, backward to her. She in there my back, and I told Madam Ji Bahar in Hindi. I can speak Hindi a little bit at that time, not now. uh, and I like to tell him my love, because he miss, and he when I was went to give my pay money to take take a taxi. I give I given 1,000 rupees to that taxi taxi arranger, and she back and my line, and she told I with the 150 is uh, my my total, and he give money after my left money he give, but I not read it, and I take my money to pocket, and then she in by back up the line, and she told me uh, don't 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 act this like that, don't read, not don't do it again and again in India. She told, you are looking for India and you can speak Hindi, but you aren't an Indian. I told, and I am not an Indian, I am from Sri Lanka, and I told few words to with her. Then she went to she's taxi, then I went to my taxi. I have some wrong mind. I think she only talk with me friendship, but I never know what is his name, what is his village, what is his father, and what she doing. I never know. I don't know. And but I want my dear lady, now after 15 close to 15 years, but I am searching, I am not married. I want to marry this girl, and I if she like to marry, or she is divorced or anything, she doesn't marry, I will marry. And I want to tell my love. I love India, and I love this girl, and I want to tell my love to her.